Hey guys, today we have an interesting device, that's why I'm just filming. This is the Steam gaming platform and customer wants to upgrade the hard drive. So he told me that he struggled to open, which for me is very strange. To open this device is easy and you have these 8 screws at the back which are Phillips screwdriver. So I don't know why he did not manage to open till I saw the last screw and I realized that he used a very cheap screwdriver and he damaged the screw at the corner, this one. So I was not able to open and I had to use a different screw. Anyway, as you can see, the screw is quite damaged and basically I just use a hexagon head for my screwdriver and I managed to open it. And now after taking just these 8 screws, then everything else is just small holders, plastic holders, which are just holding the back cover. So what I'm actually doing currently at the moment is I'm taking out the back cover, and as you can see I'm just using my nails, nothing else. Found out there is a SD card, take it out, and yeah, basically that's the process. Just be careful when you do it. As you can see on the video which I'm filming, I'm just not applying a lot of pressure, but it's just coming on its own. It's like when it starts from the one side, then it's very easy to take it out. So now it's taken, and what you can see, you have the fan, the battery, main board, like some other daughter boards, and then you have this metal cover plate, and underneath you are able to reach the hard drive. So I did this just to give you an idea. I did this without watching any video, and this is the first time I'm opening a Steam platform. So it's easier, according to myself and my experience, this is easier to repair than the Nintendo Switches. So I cannot complain of that actually. Keep in mind that under this thing you have a hidden screw. So now the plate is gone, and as you can see on the bottom side we have the hard drive. So first thing first, I disconnect the battery. I don't want anything else to happen. That's by law. And now only one screw holds the hard drive. It's same principles as the laptop. So on a laptop it will be exactly the same, just the hard drive might be longer. So this is the hard drive and it's 64 gigs, which is quite not enough. It's actually very small. I was expecting at least 128 or more. But anyway, I'm putting this hard drive aside, and customer provides us the hard drive. He say that this Pocket NVMe 4.0 whatever is the best solution for the game. It's 1 terabyte also, so it will give him a lot of space, and it will be more than what he need actually. So yeah, the packaging was quite hard, so I'm not using anything else except my screwdriver, so I just open it and yeah, let's see what's inside. Alright, yeah, I used quite a different tools to open. It was very hard that morning for my fingers, I don't know why, but inside I found a nice packaging. So it was very hard to take the foil down, it was very hard to open the box, and inside I found out a metal case for the hard drive, which is great. This is one of the one of the packages which I like to see. And yeah, inside we have the 1 terabyte Pocket NVMe, which is crazy. The packaging was quite nicely done. I assume that he spent some money for this hard drive. Anyway, I'm going to fit it exactly the same way as it was. So in this case I'm using the wrap for the hard drive, but yeah, here I realized that it's not fitting because this hard drive is a little bit wide, and okay, I had to open and wrap it around again. So this is a quite easy process to replace the hard drive. I was expecting to be a little bit more hard, honestly, according to what Nintendo Switch offers. In order to even open it and reach somewhere inside to replace a flex cable, I mean, this is very easy. As you can see, everything, after just taking 8 screws, everything is visible, every single flex cable is there, and every single part can be replaced, which is great. Nothing else to say, guys. You can clean the dust from the fan and etc, etc. Anyway, I put the hard drive, I connect the battery, and now I'm putting these 3 screws which are holding the metal plate at the back, and the most important one is the hidden one, the one in the middle. So this screw is actually a different size. So I put the middle screw and I close, and then I put the screw on the left side and then on the top left side. I'm just double checking if I have anything forgotten. There is nothing forgotten, so now I'm putting the back cover, and this back cover went inside very nicely. As you can see, I'm not doing any edits on this video except the voiceover. This video it's 10 minutes long, so basically the whole replacement process took me exactly 10 minutes. So now it's time to put the back screws, and everything is fine. Yeah, of course, the SD card, I'm always forgetting them. For some reason I put them aside and I forgot them, and then many customers asking, hey, what's happening with my SD card? And I'm like, yeah, it's here, don't worry. Anyway, guys, yeah, just use something soft underneath so you're not damaging anything related to a screen, any scratches on the screen. And that's the base rule. So basically, to perform this repair, you just need a good screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and let's say something plastic or metal, which is tiny in the front, so you can it will help you out to open the back. Despite that, I open the back just with my fingers, but obviously I have some experience, so if you are doing this for first time, you can do it yourself. You don't have to go anywhere else and spend money to pay somebody labor fee to do it for you. So yeah, I appreciate this customer that he damaged the screw and then he came to me, and I appreciate him because he gave me something which I might never do soon. This is the Steam platform, and being honest with you, I'm excited about this game. I'm excited about this game. The weight and the way they build the game, and the way you can control the mouse is crazy. It's good. Anyway, guys, I just play some games at the end, and I realized that I'm still addicted to games. So I don't know how that bad sounds at my age, but yeah, play games forever. Anyway, guys, if you want to learn anything, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, ask me. I'm answering every single question so far. I cannot complain. You are guys so nice to me, so thank you all for this. Appreciate your time, and yeah, if you have any questions related to this theme or anything else, just smash the like button, put something down onto the comments, and I'll be back to you. If not the same day, the day after tomorrow, I will be answering you guys. I'm checking my YouTube all the time. Thank you, guys. Be safe, and please consider subscribing to my channel.